Hi everyone, it's Carita of She Tried It. I will be doing a 15 random facts about me video today. If you like the sweater I'm wearing, don't worry, I will link the video where I made the sweater so you can get all the details about it at the end of this video, so just stay tuned, it'll be there at the end screen. But today I'll be doing 15 random facts about me. I know I've done quite a few videos already and I haven't really told you much about me, so hopefully this will help you get to know me a little bit better. Fact number 1, I'm from Houston, Texas, and I went to HSPVA, the High School for the Performing and Visual Arts, where I studied vocal performance. That's a lot for one fact, but I'll put that all under one. I don't sing anymore, so no, singing videos will not be on this channel at all. Fact number 2, I am an engineer. I've been working in my job as an engineer for about 8 years now. I do have my PE, so I'm a licensed engineer, which is mind-boggling to me. Shocks me every single day. I don't know how I went from singing to engineering, but somehow I did. Fact number 3, I'm not sure how many of you have watched my crochet journey video. I highly recommend that you go watch that. I think it's pretty good, but it's really my first video here on YouTube, and fun fact from that video is that I learned to knit and crochet pretty initially, definitely knitting, but I learned to knit and crochet from a lady at the library. It was a free class at the library when I got my library card, and I really wish I could go back and see her because it was before, you know, the whole pandemic where you could actually meet up and stuff. So I can't wait till I see her again and tell her like what I've done with the little that she taught me. Fact number 4, I am left-handed. That's also in that crochet journey video because crocheting is a bit different when you're left-handed. Thank goodness it's pretty much the same if you're left or right-handed when you're knitting, but crochet is a bit different when you're left-handed and you're crocheting. Fact number 5, I am a Christian. So if you follow me on Instagram, you definitely know this. Hopefully you at least guess this or know this from watching me on YouTube, but I am definitely a Christian and I would like to bring more of my Christian side in my YouTube videos. So if you have any requests or anything, definitely leave them in the comments below, but there will definitely be more Christian content coming in the future. Fact number 6, I am a planner. I'm a huge planner. So I love planning stuff day to day. I love having a schedule. I love like a sequence of events that kind of just eases my nerves. It's my way that I like to operate, so I'm definitely a planner. Fact number 7, I am a world-renowned aunt. And I say that just by myself. I think my sister and brother-in-law think I'm a great aunt, but I am an aunt to 2 little girls and 1 little boy. They are in my family rates the littlest one is not in the video. She was running around somewhere, but 2 of them are in the family rates my 2020 makes. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll definitely go back. They were probably one of my favorite parts of that video. Fact number 8, I am a minimalist, or at least on the road to becoming a minimalist, and I have been trying. I'm actually headed to Goodwill in a little bit to go give some stuff away that I just can't get rid of on a website called Mercari. I always link my Mercari in the description box below. I sell clothes, I sell shoes, I sell movies, I sell books, I sell yarn. I think I'm about to start selling some of my makes that I don't necessarily want anymore, so always check the Mercari link in the description box below. It's also linked on my Instagram as well. Fact number 9, I am a natural. So my hair is completely natural. Bit frizzy today, but I actually like it this way. I've been natural my entire life. I never had a perm. I did straighten it for a while, but I'm natural. I would like to do some hair tutorial videos, like maybe like a wash and go video, some protective styles that I do. So those will definitely be coming soon. I'm not sure how many of you are natural, but if you are, let me know in the comments below. Fact number 10 is my favorite drink is iced peppermint tea. If you just get a packet of green tea packets or pouches from Walmart and you just put that in half a cup of water, warm it up, and then add some ice and sweetener to it, that is the best drink ever. I've described it to my family as like drinking Listerine, which I know sounds disgusting, but it's really, really good. Here, it's always hot, so if you've never had iced peppermint tea, I highly recommend iced peppermint tea. It is so good. Fact number 11, I love Bluebell ice cream. So if you go back a few posts, I've talked about Bluebell on my Instagram already, but yeah, I love Bluebell ice cream. Maybe it's part of being from Texas, but I am in love with Bluebell ice cream, just plain vanilla. Fact number 12. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know this, but I love audiobooks. My posts are set up where a lot of the time I'm posting quotes from audiobooks that I've read. And I typically read non-fiction books. So I'll just post, and they're typically Christian as well. So I'll typically just post a quote from those that I really enjoy. And yeah, I can't get enough of audiobooks. That's my favorite thing to do, is knit or crochet and just listen to a really, really good audiobook. Fact number 13, and this is kind of a 2-in-1. I love buying patterns, and I love when people buy my patterns. So I really, really enjoy just trying out other designers' patterns and learning from them, or just getting a free pattern. I really, really enjoy that whole process. And like, my heart just sings every time somebody purchases my pattern. My most sold pattern right now is my Jesus Season Christmas wreath, which is probably not the time to be buying that right now. But I do have a free pattern on Ravelry, and it's the hanging chair that I made for my niece. I also have the whole mood midi skirt that is like $5 on Ravelry. But every time somebody buys a pattern, it literally is the best thing ever. Fact number 14. So She Tried It is the name of my channel and Instagram and everything. And that is totally based on Tamar Braxton. I hope that's not copywritten and this whole thing doesn't shut down one day, but yes. Tamar Braxton used to have a segment on The Real when she was on there, and she used to always say like she tried it. I don't even know if that's where it started, but I really do like Tamar Braxton. I'm not like a fanatic. I don't know everything she's been in, but I just really like the whole She Tried It thing. And I had a whole new vision, a whole different vision back when I started this of what She Tried It was gonna be, but it's turned into trying patterns, and it'll probably be trying some other stuff, but She Tried It is gonna be the name for the time being. Fact number 15, in terms of the whole She Tried It channel name, I'm really ringing it with this channel. I definitely want to diversify my content more, have you get to know me a little bit better, but I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of documenting the things that I make, and I hope that you enjoy the ride with me. I've enjoyed it so far. I started like last June being a little bit more consistent, and I hope to be more consistent this year. And yeah, I just can't wait to see what's to come. But those are all the facts about me. If we have any similarities, let me know in the comments below. I hope you're excited for some of the natural hair content coming, some of the Christian content coming. So just stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed. And as always, I will leave a link to my patterns if you want to make my heart sing in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.